The 2025 Mazda CX-50 continues to build on the brand's reputation for stylish design, engaging driving dynamics, and practical functionality. Positioned as a rugged, adventure-ready compact SUV, the CX-50 sets itself apart from others in Mazda's lineup by offering a more outdoorsy aesthetic while retaining the brand's signature premium feel. For 2025, the CX-50 sees minor updates that refine its performance, technology, and safety offerings, making it a compelling choice in an increasingly crowded segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 comes with two engine options. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth shifts and adequate acceleration for daily driving. For those seeking more performance, Mazda offers a turbocharged version of the same 2.5-liter engine that delivers up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are mated to all-wheel drive as standard, a feature that sets the CX-50 apart from many competitors that still offer front-wheel drive in base trims. The CX-50's driving experience is one of its strongest selling points. Mazda's focus on performance and handling is evident the moment you get behind the wheel. The steering is precise, the chassis feels composed, and the suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. The turbocharged model, in particular, feels quick off the line and confident during highway merges and overtaking. Despite its rugged styling, the CX-50 behaves more like a sporty crossover than an off-road machine, although it does come with drive modes for off-road and towing scenarios. Inside, the 2025 CX-50 offers a premium cabin that rivals some luxury brands. High-quality materials, a minimalist dashboard design, and excellent fit and finish make the interior feel upscale. Standard features include an 8.8-inch infotainment display with Mazda's intuitive user interface, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, and a host of driver assistance systems. Higher trims offer a larger 10.25-inch display, a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a Bose premium audio system. Passenger space is generous in both rows, with supportive front seats that offer a good driving position and rear seats that can comfortably accommodate adults. The cargo area provides 31.4 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, which expands to over 56 cubic feet with the seats folded down. While that's not class-leading, it is practical for most everyday needs and weekend getaways. Roof rails and available accessories such as roof racks and cargo boxes further emphasize the CX-50's adventure-oriented persona. In terms of safety, the 2025 CX-50 continues to impress. Mazda includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features as standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle has earned high safety ratings in previous years, and the 2025 model is expected to maintain that strong performance with some refinements in system calibration and responsiveness. Fuel economy is decent for the segment, with the naturally aspirated engine returning around 24 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, while the turbocharged model offers slightly lower figures due to its increased power output. Still, both versions offer a good balance of performance and efficiency, especially considering the standard all-wheel drive. Overall, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 blends sporty driving characteristics with practical features and a rugged image. It caters to buyers who want the flexibility of a compact SUV without sacrificing driving enjoyment or upscale design. Whether used for daily commutes, family road trips, or weekend adventures, the CX-50 stands out as a well-rounded and desirable option in the compact SUV market.